The yarn is absolutely adorable. Soft, lofty, light. Those gradient colors are just like a cloud. It's absolutely pleasure to work with it, and it just slides, it just glides, the stitches just fly off your hook. It's such a pleasure, and this will make such a great baby blankets and loves, and I cannot wait to try to make actually amigurumi with it. Baby toys will be so sweet and so cute. Loves, oh, loves will be so easy to make and such a quick project, and babies will love it. It will be definitely a great idea to do with this yarn. And I like the combination of the colors, because look, all these colors change here, and the lavender and the greens, the minty colors, and that spring green. Oh, such a pleasure. I cannot stop touching it. I received this product for you to try, but I love the end product.